This is 6 heads 1 vending machine. This is the light switch. This is the exit port and the exit button. This is the touch screen. Open the door is a black nylon handle, all tapered silicone stoppers. The height of the handle can be adjusted to match bottles of different heights. How to adjust? Put the bottle next to the handle. As shown in the video, the handle is too high. Hold the liquor outlet tube and slide the handle down to a lower position than the bottle mouth. On the touch screen, click the Mode to switch. Enter the admin password. And then switch to the corresponding mode. The admin password can be changed in Password Setting. Click Family, enter password 1 and click Confirm to switch to Home mode. You only need to press the 1 button to produce wine and then click to stop the wine. Click Sales, input password 1, click Confirm. Switch to Sales mode, insert membership card. Click the 1 to buy, select the amount of alcohol. Input the membership password. Confirm the wine light, prepare the glass. Press the 1 button, you can serve wine. Click Confirm and switch to Clean mode. Hold down the corresponding wine release button of the pipeline to be cleaned until the cleaning is completed. Click Temperature, enter the management password 1, and click Confirm to switch to the temperature setting page. Here you can set the upper and lower limits of the temperature in the bottle storage area. Click Settings, enter the management password 1 and click Confirm. On the settings page, you can set wine information, configure cards, and view orders. You can set the picture, price, and name of the wine here. Or you can put the price and name of the wine on the picture, so you don't need to enter the wine name separately. After the wine picture is finished, put it in the USB 2.0 flash drive, plug it into the USB port at the back of the device. You can update the wine picture at any time. Update the wine picture in Wine Config. Click the wine picture to be updated. Select the new picture, click Save, and then click Save in the upper right corner to save successfully. Click Card Config, click Card Manage. Insert the card to be set. Here you can recharge the card. Set the password of the card, set the card number, reset the card. In Order Information, you can see all the order information here. You can only view sales orders. You can view the daily order, order details, statistics of the daily amount,